Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a new foundation tutorial for you guys. This is an updated one. It is how you can get your makeup to last longer. So this is in correlation with the Deck of Scarlet video that I have posted on my channel. It is an unboxing and some of the products we are going to be using in that video, like the bronzer and the highlighter in this palette will be used in that video. We're just going to be doing a foundation tutorial for you guys today. It is a liquid foundation. So my first step in keeping my foundation lasting a heck of a lot longer in this summer heat is using the Badescu. This is the Rosewater spray. It is aloe, herbs, and rose water. Now I just spray this on my face. And it gives it like a hydration, and then I just kind of pat it in a little bit just so that my skin will actually soak up everything, and it smells amazing. So good. And then to add that dewy glow, the glow that everybody loves for the summer, we're going to be using the Fresh and Fit Awake Primer. Now, in my Essence video, which I will link up here, I said that this was actually more like a lotion. And it is. It's more like a lotion, but it has like sparkles in it. So what we're going to do is we are going to put this on my face. Now that my face is more hydrated, we're just going to give it a little bit more of a stickiness to it. Stickiness. Very, very sticky. And with this primer, it's not really a primer, like I said, it feels like a lotion, but it has like little, it's like glowy. It's hard to explain, but it literally has like, what would you call it? Glitter. It has glitter in it, guys. And I've never ever seen a foundation that has glitter, not foundation. I've never seen a primer that has glitter in it ever. I guess that's why they say it gives you a healthy luminizing effect and a glow. I don't actually use this as a primer. I use it more as a moisturizer. And this is what's been giving me more of a dewy glow for this summer. And then we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution. This is the Pore Blurring Primer. And this is a silicone-based primer. I love silicone-based primers. I feel like they just help the makeup glide on a heck of a lot better. And then we are going to be using my makeup palette right here. Just putting the primer on real quick because I really don't feel like it's soaking into my hands at all. And we're just going to put this in the areas where I really want my pores to be blurred. And my nose has really big pores. So we will put that there and under the eyes because we want it to blur my dark circles because hashtag mom life. Like my T-zone is like probably the worst area that I get big pores, so that's where I want it to blur the most. And then I have like a little bit of a freckle here that I want it to blur, and a freckle up here that I want it to kind of hide and blur as well. I actually used to get teased by kids in high school that this mole right here was a pimple, and I was like, nope, it's a mole. It is a beauty mark and I am proud of it. And then to get an even better glow, we're going to be using the Catrice HD 24-Hour Liquid Foundation. I'm going to shake this up a little bit. This is in the foundation color 010, and this is a really great foundation. I have put it on several times and it's my favorite. I honestly think it is a dupe for Younique's Mineral Touch Foundation. Guess how much this foundation is? $10.99, and sometimes it actually goes on sale at Ulta Beauty, which is where you can find it. It's the only place that you can buy it. So it literally, I'll have to do a side-by-side comparison of these two. This one is a $40 foundation. This one's an $11 foundation. Comment below if you actually want to see a side-by-side of the Younique Mineral Touch versus the Catrice HD Liquid Foundation. So comment below if you want to see a comparison between these two. I did put the foundation on the palette here, and you can see it's running all over the place. And then to increase the glow, we are using a glow booster. This is from Pixi by Petra, Pixi Beauty, and I absolutely love just dropping a little bit, boom, right there. And this is going to give me even more of a shine and a glow, because that is what we want this summer. Glow, glow, glow. And then with this awesome little plate, I got a spatula, and we just mix it like this. And I literally just take the excess and wipe it off on my face because, you know, that's just me. So we're going to take my beauty blender. This is from Real Techniques. And we're just going to smear and blot. And this is a full coverage foundation, so it is going to cover up all my blemishes. It's going to hide my fine lines, my wrinkles, my age spots, my freckles. It will full coverage everything, except my nose, because my nose never wants to be covered. No joke. I have the hardest time covering my nose. And we're feeling glowy. Very, very glowy, and I'm not even done yet. I am. I'm like glistening with glow. So let's just blend this into my ears, because, you know, we want our ears to match, and then we'll match our neck as well. Even in the mirror, I'm like super, super glowy. I really like that. This is why my go-to foundation routine for the summer. I just want to look like I, you know, got glow going on all over the face. And then I really just don't want to get rid of the glow, but we are going to be using just a little bit of the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This one is in light peach, so it does have a little bit of a cool undertone, which is what my skin color is. And we're just literally going to concentrate this right here where my little baggies are. Ta-da! And then we're going to highlight here just a little bit. This is a matte concealer, and I just want to look glowy. I don't want to look matte. So we're just using it a little bit, but the coverage on this is really good. They say it's a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, which I actually have now. So if you guys want to see a video on that, let me know, because I wouldn't mind posting one. I mean, and see how a little bit like goes a long way. All of a sudden I feel super bright under my eyes, and then right here I always highlight a little bit too. So yeah, a little bit of that concealer goes a long way, and it's only $5. Really good. So there we have the foundation, and then before I leave you guys, I'm going to put on a setting powder and a setting spray, and then we will hop into the Deck of Scarlet video that you guys need to check out. All right, and then we're using a Maybelline Finishing Veil. It is a mineral powder, and it is in the color Translucent. However, it's actually kind of pink, but I love using this to set the under eyes and then places that I tend to crease. We are just dipping into the little lid here, and then we are going to put this on the under eyes, and we're going to put it on the lid. And I recently discovered my love for this brush. I actually used to use it for foundation, and then I was watching a Tati video, and she featured a La Mer brush that was the same like shape as this one, and she uses it to set her under eyes, and I was like, that's what I need to use that brush for, and I love it. This is like the perfect brush to get right in here under my eyes and set everything that I need to set. And then we're just going to go into the forehead, along the eyebrows here. Ta-da! Now we're all set. We look pretty. I'm still a little bit glowy, and then the highlight that I use from the Deck of Scarlet palette will actually add to the highlights. So there is your summer foundation tutorial. I hope you guys like it, and hop on over to the Deck of Scarlet. Before I go, because I forgot, we're going to be using the Catrice Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. I love this stuff, and it smells amazing. So keep the glow alive with this. So guys, there is your summer foundation tutorial. I hope you like this video. Give it a good thumbs up if you do. Subscribe, comment, tell me if you want to see different videos, if you want to see a comparison between the Catrice and the Unique, the Tarte and the e.l.f., which has been done a lot on YouTube, but I feel like mine's not sponsored, so there you go, guys. Anyway, so hop on over to the Deck of Scarlet video, see that tutorial, and I'll see you later. Bye!